Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to 365 WebX. And so today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to um, live stream without having a professional camera, but instead using your mobile device as your webcam and capture uh, good quality audio and video. I mean, live stream good quality video and audio, because most of the time you might want to live stream yourself, maybe um, during a podcast, and if you don't have the equipment, the webcam sucks. Okay, so without too much of talking, let's get straight into the video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to download a tool. uh, Sorry, I'm going to be showing you how to download a tool, and this tool is called um, so I'm going to be showing you how to download a tool, and tool is IRIUN.com. Expand it. Yes, so this is IRIUN website. So when you come down here, you can see IRIUN webcam, and right here you can download for for Windows, pardon, and you can also download for Mac and for Ubuntu as well. And of course, you need to install it also on your mobile phone. So now it depends on which of the mobile platform you're using. Maybe it's Android or iOS. So you go ahead and download and install. I've already installed. But when you're installing, let me download it. There you go. Something. So it's downloading. I've already installed it on my computer, but I just want to show you, uh, you know, process of installing. Okay. Okay, now it has downloaded, so I'm just going to click on this to open, of course, to install it. And when okay, it's actually it has uninstalled the one I've installed before. So I'm going to click yes. And now, because before I installed it before, and I chose the numbers of cameras to be installed as 4. So, and that's why you can see 4 here. But initially, it's always on this one. So what that means is you have the option to have different cameras. So if you have like 4 Android, I mean smartphones, you can connect them to your Wi-Fi and have 4 camera angles. So of course, this is where I'm installing mine. I'm going to say 4 cameras. I'm going to click here and install, and now it has installed. It takes less than a minute to install. It has installed. I'm going to start this. Start. So it has installed, and you can see right here, you see camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 4. And of course, you can see my phone is already connected. And mind you, you have to connect, your mobile phone has to be on the same network as your computer. So I've done that. So automatically you can see it has decided uh, on which which canvas to display the video here, and I'm going to click here to choose my video format, and of course you have up to 4K. So I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080, and of course you can see that right there. Yeah, so there's no cable coming in from my phone to my computer. It was on the network, and I can move it around. Okay. Yeah. So, see. And another thing I want to do is I'm going to open my VMix here. Yes, VMix launching. Uh, Definitely, like I said, you can do up, okay, but of I oh yeah, not up to 4K. My camera is not 4K. Definitely, that's why you see this there. I think okay, or Ultra HD, yeah, and HD phone, yes. So that is it. I'm going to minimize this for now. And of course, you have your vmix here. I've opened my vmix and I'm going to click on this here for adding it. I'm going to add camera, and on my camera, I'm going to choose IRIUN webcam. And of course, you can see that if the 4 cameras um, are here. So if you have multiple phones, you can connect them to your network and you're good to go. Okay, leave everything as E, and I'm going to say, okay, oh yeah, see, I have my computer. So, and can see, add a verb, yeah, I would say IRIUN.com. Okay, just want to show you the possibility of what you can do. So you don't need uh, those professional cameras, say, or you can stream or you can start your podcast. Of course, you can see right here, can switch and start to this, because but here, date here, here, right, and okay, so like, and okay, that is pretty much how to stream without using cameras, but instead using your phones, your smartphone as your webcam to stream, you know, uh, professional looking quality content. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe and give it a thumb up, of the video channel go, and see you next time. Bye bye.